Now the use case that most of you are probably here for, we're going to be going over how you can create a one-to-one policy for your Chromebooks, being able to lock down a Chromebook to ensure that it's only able to be used by one Google account. This has been requested by GAM users for a very, very long time, and previously there was no other solution that could be taken until now Zenphi has found a solution. This is something that's not only going to enhance security inside of your education workspace, but also make sure that you're not paying more repairs than you have to, since now students will have to take care of their own computers at all time. This flow is going to be kicked off whenever a call is made to your asset management system. So whenever a device is added and assigned, it's going to automatically kickstart this flow. Now, what this system is going to send over is the device ID as well as the Google account that it was assigned to. Here for easy access, we're just setting the run name as the Google account. That way you can easily see which run belongs to which account. Now, the solution that Zenphi found is creating an OU for each one of the students and then assigning the device to that OU. So we're going to go ahead and create the student OU. So we're going to use the create organizational unit. We're going to use the Google account that was sent over by our trigger since this was kicked off by a different system. You are going to need an OAuth token, so we're going to make sure to use this action to be able to redeem it. If you don't see this action available in your workspace, don't worry, all you have to do is reach out to anyone from our team and they'll be able to enable the action for you. And now, like mentioned, we're going to move the device to the OU that we just created. To do this, we're going to use our make HTTP request action, making it really easy to be able to make the call and use this method. So this is a move devices to OU method that is provided by Google APIs. So all we have to do is pass over the token that we just created, and then we're going to also pass over the ID that was provided in our trigger. And what do we have so far in our flow? So what we've done is created an OU for the Google account. We've moved the device that was just assigned to that OU. Now all we have to do is establish the rule to be able to make sure that that device can only be used by that Google account. So to do that, we're going to use another HTTP request. We're going to use a different method. This one is called orgunit batch modify, and it's going to allow us to be able to establish this one-to-one policy. So if we look at the bottom, there's a space that's called user allow list. So this is a list of users that are allowed to be able to make use of the OU. So we want to make sure that we're only setting this Google account, which is going to come from our trigger, and anyone else is going to be restricted. And just like that, in 4 easy steps, we've made sure that whenever a device is assigned by the asset management system, it'll automatically be locked down to a singular Google account. And this will not only result in savings of thousands and thousands of dollars, but also some added security as well.